Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll be doing a video on how to prevent wasps from nesting the outside of the property. We've had many wasps make a nest. And it has been a nuisance. What I've done in the past, I've let them be, basically. But that prevents me from cleaning the windows or doing any outside work. To fix this problem, what you should do is seal up. We've got a few holes outside of the property. I'll show you. So as you can see there's a hole in the property up by the roof, above the window, and that's where they're getting through there. The wasps are getting through that hole there, so I've got to find a way to seal that. I'm going to use, well, first of all I'm going to clean the area. The best thing to use, what they say, is wash and liquid, but I've got this wasp spray that I'm going to use first, and then I'm going to clean the area with washing up liquid as well. So the windows do need a good clean, and they've been preventing me from cleaning the windows from outside. I do have an extension, so I can step on there. It's no problem. But yeah, there's quite a few holes outside to fix. And for those, I'm going to use expanding foam filler, but that's for another video. Today, I'm just going to clean up the area, spray that hole there, and any other holes that I see, like that one there. Okay, and this is another useful spray to use. Well, it's a fairy liquid, basically. This is a spray already done for you, and I'm going to spray a bit of that as well in the holes, but I'm going to first use this to make sure that they don't come back. I mean, there's certain other sprays that you can use that they don't like is it Peppermint? So you can use that to prevent wasps from nesting as well. Certain sprays, smells, etc. that they don't like. So there are preventive causes you can use to prevent wasps from returning, so you don't have to kill them. The best time to do this, ideally, is end of February, March time. Seal up holes and spray your outside of the property. I'd say March onwards. But there's no wasps above the window, so I'm safe to spray that area. Okay, come with me. I'm now going to use this Dettol to clean the area. I'm using a cloth as well. Start with this. I'm now going to use this to clean the windows. Very liquid.